All right, welcome back. In this video, we're going to walk through how you can add exchanges to your Bitwave account. Essentially, you're going to log in as normal as you have been, so you can see our customary onboarding incorporated account. And what you're going to do is go to organization, and then you're going to go to connections. And of course, as you can see, the only thing we're connected to so far is, in this case, our GL solution or ERP, which is 0. But you can add your exchange connections here as well by simply clicking connect new account to the right. And you can see here there's a list of exchanges that we support. There are a number of exchanges that we support that may not be visible in the UI. Often there's some extra setup activity. Please reach out to onboarding@bitwave.io if you have any questions regarding those. But I'm just going to pick the first one here as an example so you see the process. So you click this. Now, these are the sets of fields that are required. Of course, you would have already created your API key and secret information in your Exchange platform, and you'd have that information ready to populate here. For the purposes of this, I have actually created one for myself, and I'm going to populate that information. So the first thing that you populate here is connection name. That's obviously an optional field. You can put something in there as an identifier for you. On B Inc. Binance wallet, I'm going to call it in my case. And then in this case, so this is, again, each exchange has different setup parameters, so you'll have to pretty much align to whatever your exchange is. But in this case, there's obviously Binance and Binance US. In my case, I'm using Binance US. So that's what that is. And then it's good. This is my API key information that I have to provide here. I do have that. I'll drop that in here, and then I'll drop my API secret information. And again, what's very important here is that it is read-only API key and secret information in all cases. And then finally, this last one is actually a contact or vendor that you would have created in your general ledger solution, in my case, 0, for this exchange. So I had created this Binance exchange contact. I'm going to select that, and I'm going to save that. And that essentially, as you can see, has just added this row to my connections. It has never synced, but over time it will sync by itself. You can also click the button here to activate the sync, and it'll take a little bit of time here, but it will ultimately end up syncing itself, and it'll show you the last sync time. So that is how you would add an exchange to your connections. And then once you add that, you can go, as I just did, to the wallet section right here, and that exchange will begin to show. So this is showing the balance in that exchange as of right now, being pulled by Bitwave.